Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Knowledge TV KTV. Today we have a new topic and that is Precis writing. How to write a Precis. So what is Precis? You must know about this. Okay. So Precis is a short poem of a piece of writing, or it is a summary of a piece of writing. Okay, so this is definition of precis. But how to write a precis? There are some rules and regulations, and it is very important for the CSS and PMS student that how to write a precis. So today I'm going to tell you that rules how to write an essay. Okay, so the rule number first is read twice the passage. Okay, what the passage is given to you in the paper, you must read it thrice, or if possible, so write it 4 times. It will be very easy part for you to write an essay. एक पैराग्राफ है, ठीक है, आपने उसको एक बार रीड किया, ठीक है, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इस पे नहीं आ गई, you should read it again, then again, 4 times. It will be easy for you to write that. So read is repetition of reading is very important for essay writing, because uh, you come to know that what is asked in the essay. Okay, so number second is underline the important points. What are given to the in the passage, you must point out dates. Okay, if you have pencil or pen, you must underline that main words of a paragraph. Okay, what are the thematic words inside the precis? You must underline that. Okay, number third is use your own words. It is very important part precis writing. You must write your own words, your own language. Okay, if you just give a little difference, or you just copy from the original passage, so that is you will not get a good marks. So for example, some synonyms you must use. Okay, the synonym must be simple words that understandable to every person. So it is very important to read your own to write your own language or own words in a precis writing. Number four is precis must be 1/3 of the original page. Your precis must be 1/3. Okay, this is very important because it is also asked in the question that you should write the 1/3 of that paragraph. So you convert the original paragraph into 1/3. For example, so the 10 lines, a 10 line paragraph you should convert into three not but four, or maybe. अच्छा, तो ये फिफ्थ नंबर जो पॉइंट है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रेसिस राइटिंग. ये फिफ्थ नंबर क्या है? ये है एग्जाम्पल, इलस्ट्रेशन एंड कंपैरिजन शुड बी अवॉइडेड. और एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है, ठीक है, यू आर गिवन examples or illustration, there are much explanation in the original text, okay, or in the precis, or there is comparison is there, so you shouldn't write that examples, okay, or that comparisons, and or that explanation. You must shorter the examples, okay, into samples, and explanation into the very precise, or use some very precise words that to contract or compress that long sentences. Okay. Sixth number, your own comments are for you should keep it in mind that in precis writing you are not allowed because to write your own words. Okay, it doesn't mean to write your own language, use your own, but you don't pass comment on that. Okay, your own comment that this is incorrect or this is correct. You should avoid these things in precis writing. Your own comments. Read, for example, a passage is given to you, so you should convert into simple language. You don't explain it with your own way that, for example, this writer is incorrect, or etc. etc. So your own comments on the precis is strictly forbidden. It shouldn't be acceptable for a checker. अच्छा, seven number है careful about grammar and spelling. This is very important. Okay, you must be careful about grammar and spellings. You should avoid the spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. Look onto the in which especially in which tense the precis is writing, you must write in that sentence the precis. Okay, simple language. Okay, 8 point is I already explained, but let's explain again it. Read, especially write simple language. You use very simple language that is very easy and understandable for a common person. For example, a person if not aware of the original text and he read your passage. Okay, your phrase. Okay, you convert your own words, and he understand that what is asked in this paragraph. So that language you must use in a phrase. अच्छा, I my, okay, जो डायरेक्ट वर्ड्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल डायरेक्ट स्पीच होता है I my, you should don't write that. Okay, you must convert into third person. For example, he says, she says, they says. Okay, write like this. अच्छा, तो डायरेक्ट पर्सन का यूज ना करें, ठीक है, सॉरी, आई एंड माई का इस्तेमाल ना करें। इसके जगह आपने क्या इस्तेमाल करना है, ही शी इट या दे का इस्तेमाल करना है, ठीक है। अच्छा, थिंक ऑफ सुटेबल टाइटल, आपने प्रश्न को एक सुटेबल टाइटल देना है, ठीक है। इट इज वेरी इंप्रेसिव फॉर राइटिंग इफ यू गिव ए title to a given passage. Okay, it will be impressive for the checkers, especially if you are attempting the CSS paper, especially of the comprehensions or grammar paper. Okay, second paper, which is frequently, this question is very important in that. Okay, about 10 marks is given. 10 or 20 marks of this question is marked if you write it. Okay, so give a suitable title to your essay. This is sample. Okay, indicate the number of words. Okay, must indicate the number of words, especially one third. So, for example, if there are 100 words, you must write 30 words of that essay writing. Okay. अच्छा, कुछ important our hands भी है, आपको देते हैं, ठीक है, ताकि आप फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये चीज़ें आ गई, फॉर एग्जांपल ये एक प्रेस है, उसमें लिखा है केट्स, डॉग्स, बर्ड्स के नेम, फॉर एग्जांपल swallow है, ठीक है, पैरट्स है, एक्सेट्रा। तो यू डोंट राइट दैट बर्ड्स, you should write, sorry, instead of that, animals and birds. For example, this is given cats, and there are dogs, cats, and donkey. Okay, so instead of dogs, cat, and donkey, you must write animals. Okay, it will be very impressive. Another hand is use one word substitutions. वर्ड्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो एक सेंटेंस फॉर एग्जांपल लिखते हैं, ठीक है, तो इसके जगह आप एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर सकते हैं, वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन, वर्ड जो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स है वो उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, तो इसके से आप फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रेसिव लगेगी, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जांपल, Ahmad is liked by the people. Ahmad is liked by the people. It is a sentence. So you can't write Ahmad is popular. Okay. Instead of Ahmad is liked by the people, you can't write Ahmad is popular. अच्छा, several sentences. Several sentences का मतलब क्या है? फॉर एग्जांपल, काम में लगी है, ठीक है, इसमें एक सेंटेंस है, शॉर्ट शॉर्ट सेंटेंस है, तो इसकी जगह आप एक कंप्रेस सेंटेंस लिख सकते हैं, तो इसकी वजह से आपकी प्रेसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रेसिव लगेगी। तो आपने ये हैंड्स यूज़ करना है, जो आने वाले सीरीज के पेपर है, इंशाल्लाह आई गारंटी यू विल गेट अप टू मार्क्स ऑफ द टोटल 20।